Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get the SSL certificate from GoDaddy. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and head to GoDaddy's official website. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to your home page. Here, hover over your profile picture and click on the My Products tab. This area contains all the services and tools associated with your account, including SSL certificates. Once you're in the Products section, hover over on the dotted icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, locate and click on SSL Certificates. This will take you to a page specifically designed for managing everything related to SSL. For those unfamiliar, SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, a protocol that encrypts the connection between your web server and visitors' browsers, keeping all transmitted data safe and private. Now, since we're obtaining the certificate, click on the Certificates option. This will open a list of all SSL certificates associated with your GoDaddy account. Make sure you have the proper permissions or administrative rights to access and manage the SSLs. From here, find the certificate you want to download. Next to it, you'll see a Manage button. Click on Manage, and you'll be presented with several options, including the ability to download the certificate to your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the download process. And that's it. So that is how you can get the SSL certificate from GoDaddy. So that's all for this video. Thanks.